Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariane. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing of my very first and long awaited Telfar bag. I'm super excited. So if you guys are interested in seeing it, and y'all got a super cute color and a little hint, I mean, y'all probably saw the color on the thumbnail. Anyway, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that lovely red subscribe button down below so you can join the family. Enough of me blabbing, let's get into today's unboxing. Fun fact, the first bag that I tried to get was actually the brown. I wanted the medium brown bag, didn't get it. So I was like, okay, I'll try again. Then Telfar, he released the bag security program, which was perfect. So I ordered the bag in March, got the bag end of June, basically July, and now I'm happy. So when you open the box, and by the way, this box is smaller than my mom's box. She got a really big box. Anyway, open the box and you see the Telfar dust bag in plastic. I got the medium-sized bag. I'm so happy with it. I'm personally not too crazy about the small bag. It's a little too small for my personal preference, and I do have small bags like that, but I don't want more. So this medium bag, I'm really excited because it could be a work bag, it could be like a carry-on bag, like so much. Ooh, okay. Here's the dust bag. And by the way, if you guys didn't know, Telfar is a Black-owned business. I believe the name of the designer is Telfar Clemens. If it's wrong, I'll put it on the screen. He created Telfar in 2005, and he's been in the game for a very long time. I believe he won this grant from this organization. I'll put it on the screen, and that really helped him like actually being able to like produce more bags and more colors. And again, like since the pandemic, I think that his brand was fairly popular, but maybe around more like fashion bloggers or people that are really into fashion. But it like came to like normal people like me. It came to our attention when the pandemic hit, and now this is one of the most popular Black-owned businesses. So here's the logo. It's the C of the T. If you didn't know, Telfar Clemens, it's like his initials. Super cool. Dust bag is a fine material. Nothing crazy about it. I don't really know what is the preferred dust bag material. I really don't care. And I will definitely keep this dust bag. I may not keep the bag in there, but I like the dust bag. All right, y'all ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's a little difficult getting it out the bottom. Goodness gracious. Here is my bag. So I got the dark olive medium-sized bag. Guys, I'm so excited. So this is how big it is. So I think I have normal length arms, right? So it's basically from my fingertips to about my elbow. It's definitely, it's the size that I expected it to be, and I think that could be because I've seen the bag in person. Not this color. A couple of my friends, they have this bag. Telfar has the very long strap, so you could wear it as like a shoulder bag, or you can wear it, just as a tote bag. I mainly see people with the strap, so I don't see a lot of people just holding it like this, at least not for this medium bag. For the biggest bag and for the small bag, yes, I see people holding it by the straps all the time. By the way, this bag was $202. Let me pull up the exacts. The bag was $202. Shipping was $0, and the taxes were $12.12. I believe taxes, isn't that like based off of where you live and everything? So I'm in Michigan, maybe that's why it's that price. And so the total was $214.12. Since I did the bag security program, meaning I wouldn't get my bag until like between July and September, I decided to use Klarna because if I'm not going to get the bag later, I might as well like take my time paying for it. So I did my Klarna payments, and let me see how much that was each period. I paid $53.53 once, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, and I love that. I love Klarna. I think it can be very addicting, but as of lately, since I did that what I spend in a week video, I have not really done Klarna. I've literally just used it for the Telfar bag, and then I got some gifts and I just put it on there. But yeah, so here's the bag. Oh, okay, I didn't know it had like a little like button. I forgot what this is called, but to snap, open and close. Wow. First off, love the black interior. I'm happy that it's not like gray or brown. That would be weird. Love black. Like black is my go-to. And he has the tag on here. good quality tag. And of course, again, we see the Telfar logo / monogram, and it has a big pocket. Oh my goodness. I love when purses have pockets because I think it's the best place to put like personal items like pads or tampons, money, wallet, like keys, anything you don't want to lose, it can go in here. Oh, and it's so deep, guys. It's literally like the size of my hand, so that's impressive. Because you know, some bags, they're like, their little pocket is like this deep. That makes me very upset. Very, very nice pocket. The bag is definitely deep. Wow. I'm like so excited. The quality is great. I'm definitely going to leave it out for a little bit. I might just stuff it with stuff just to help get this crease out of the bag, so when I do decide to use it, it won't have that crease. But guys, I'm honestly so impressed. Beautiful bag. The quality is amazing. I have absolutely no complaints, and I can't wait to actually like style this bag. So if you guys haven't noticed, I really like the color green. A lot of my room has like these hints of like this dark forest green, and definitely will be using this bag. I think this is more of a fall color, so I may save this for fall. I mean, in all honesty, I'm not even doing anything anytime soon, so I really wouldn't need my cute Telfar bag, but definitely can't wait to use this. Can't wait to style this. Tell me what you guys think about this color. Do you like it? Is it not like, you won't hurt my feelings if you don't like it. If I didn't get this color, I would have gotten the chocolate brown. That's the color my mom got, and that's the color I tried to get first. Love it. It literally looks like a giant Hershey's bar. Very cute, but I love this green. Will I be getting another Telfar? Not anytime soon. It's not because I don't like it or anything, but I think this is like what I wanted, and I don't want to be excessive for something that I don't necessarily need. So we'll see, like once I move, and like once like my life gets back to like some type of normal, or once I experience like post-grad life, maybe I'll be traveling more, maybe I'll be going out more, maybe I want the small bag. I don't know if I want the small bag, but maybe I want the really, really big bag. We'll see, but I'm definitely like so content with this bag. I can't wait to use it. It's so beautiful. I'm going to put it right back in the dust bag. By the way, the price points for the different bags, I believe, are $150 for the small bag, $202 for the medium bag, and I believe $250 for the big bag. Again, this is a luxury brand. It's black owned. I know y'all saw the picture of Beyonce with a Telfar bag, and I guess Telfar released a statement saying we are not raising our prices, which is good. But yeah, really, really like this bag. If you guys are interested in the bag, I would suggest next time they do the bag security program, trying that, because that's a like secure way. You're definitely getting your bag if you do it that way. Or if you have fast fingers, you can try and order it whenever he drops bags. Usually a new color is out every week, and he's been implementing some new like really creative colors like lavender, green screen, paint tape, like really, really cute colors. So again, if you are looking for a big quality bag that isn't distracting, you know what I mean? Because I love the Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, but I think that print doesn't always work. But these are in solid colors. Again, especially if you get like the brown, the black, or the cream, and not say the green. Like this can literally go with anything. It won't bring too much attention, and it's a good quality bag. Just hopefully you can get your hands on it. But all right, y'all, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this color, and let me know, do you have a Telfar bag? Do you have the small, medium, or large? Or maybe you're not a Telfar fan. Let's talk about it down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. By the way, if you haven't seen my huge summer haul, this top is actually a part of it. It's a crop top from H&M. Super cute. I think they're actually sold out, so, but you should still check out the video. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Love, peace, joy, safety, protection, all of that I'm wishing for you guys. Peace out. Bye.